Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Paul Robertson, and this week we're going to be talking about 5 ways that you can invest $1,000. So a while back on my Instagram, I asked a question: what would you guys like me to speak about? And one of the reoccurring things was people wanted me to speak about different investment opportunities. And a question that seemed to come out often was, hey Paul, I don't necessarily have tens of thousands of dollars to go and invest in stocks. How could I invest my money if I have, say, $1,000? So that's what we're going to be talking about. So number one, the first way that you can invest your money if you have, say, $1,000 is take your money, put it into a Roth IRA account, and invest it in an ETF. So what's an ETF? An ETF is an exchange traded fund. And essentially what it is you and other investors are pooling your money together, going out and buying a variety of stocks. The great thing about it is it's managed by a professional, it's very well diversified, so all your money is not in one basket. And on top of that, you don't actually have to keep track of 1,000 different stocks. The manager does that for you. They rebalance the portfolio, and all you have to do is monitor the performance of the ETF by itself. Second, another opportunity, invest in an online business. So we work in a wonderful world today where there's plenty of opportunity online to make money from the comfort of your home. So one thing you can do is find a great online platform, whether it be Shopify, whether it be affiliate marketing. There's plenty of opportunities for you to get out there in the market, create something based on a niche of something you're passionate about, and create a business around it. And that's the beauty of it. You could take $1,000, build a store, and go out and basically take advantage of the market and sell products without ever having to go out and buy a bunch of inventory or rent a brick and mortar store, which is going to cost you thousands of dollars a month. So the internet gives you a great opportunity to invest $1,000 and get a great return. 3, you can invest with a local investor who may be working in real estate or another opportunity. Maybe he's opening a brand new business. $1,000 for early stage companies can actually go a pretty long way and get you a good set of equity in a deal. Another thing about investing with a local business or a local investor is you can take that $1,000 and possibly negotiate the type of return you're going to get. A popular way to do that is to invest with someone who does real estate. And a great way to find them is to go on websites like Bigger Pockets, who have investors in your area who are sometimes looking for people who want to invest in deals they're working on. You can then sit with them, negotiate the rate of return. You can check with other people who have invested with them in the past, find out how good they are with the money, and then that's an opportunity for you to take that $1,000 and possibly get a larger return in a shorter period of time with someone you know and can build a long-term relationship with. A fourth way that you can invest that money that's going to have a great long-term impact is paying off debt. Now the thing about credit cards is the annual rate on that credit card could be anywhere from 15 to 24%. And if you're not necessarily a savvy investor, that credit card is going to be costing you more than the amount of return you're getting on some of your investments. So by paying that down, in the long run, what happens is it costs you less money. You're putting more money back in your pocket by not having to pay it out in interest. Number 5, the most important thing you can do with that $1,000 is invest in yourself. Warren Buffett has said that the best investment you could ever make in life is betting on yourself. So take that $1,000 investment and look for opportunities to gain a new skill that's going to allow you to make money. A good one is real estate. Now in many states, you can actually get a real estate license and begin practicing real estate on the side for less than $1,000. So that's a great way for you to go out, get a new skill, reinvent yourself, or just add a second stream of income that'll pay you a long way in the long term. Another popular one is becoming a personal trainer. If fitness is your passion, take that $1,000 and invest it in a business for yourself, something that will give you an opportunity to make money outside of your regular 9 to 5. And this next stream of income can pay out dividends in the long run and oftentimes liberate you from your 9 to 5 career if that's something that you're looking for. I want to thank you for tuning into this video. Make sure you subscribe, also like, and down in the comment section, let me know about something that you think is a great opportunity and how you would invest your $1,000. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Paul Robertson, signing out.